Wait, what?
We're on.
It's
going.
Hi. It's Melanie and Liz. We are here to show you wonderful things
In EDIMS.
that will help you. Yes.
You might not know there are wonderful things in EDIMS, but it's
Yes,
true. It's
yes.
true. Reports on benchmarks.
In case people are confused, EDIMS is now called IO assessment. It's the same thing, exactly the same thing. So you'll see EDIMS in Q, but when you click on the link in Q menu analysis EDIMS, you're going to see it says IO assessment.
Right.
It's the same thing.
Right.
Okay.
Post-merger. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so we're going to start out in Q, right?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, menu, analysis, EDIMS.
I think for a couple of years we've told people that might change to IO assessments. We
There
just
it
don't know.
is. See, it says formerly EDIMS.
Yes. So to get to the reports you want to use, you're going to use the navigation over here, which works the same way as the tiles. It's just everything's accessible.
Right.
So we're going to go reports, and then group reports, and then this one, standards-based reports.
Yep.
Okay. So you could also add a tile if you really like your tiles. You can go add a tile called standards-based reports, and it would take you to the same place.
Yes.
Which is, dun da da da, here.
Yes.
Okay. So this is your standard, yep, that's me, that's my class, and then you click next. And then you have a bunch of options, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's going to land you on this page.
Mm-hmm.
On this page, you need to choose the test,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is automatically on all. Sometimes it just is showing math. And you go, hey, wait, where are the rest of my tests?
Well, I think it saves
here
whatever
is.
the last thing you chose
okay.
on this,
Okay.
possibly. So if you chose math before, it'll probably show up.
So a few things to be aware of are in this menu right here. So you could go to just language arts, or you could go to all, but know that that's there. Okay, and you can see all the assessments your students have taken this year. Now you could also go 2017-18 and see your students this year, what they did last year.
Right.
Right? So here are the benchmarks that the 5th grade class we're looking at right now, this is what they did last year in 4th grade.
And you can tell which one by admin date. Make sure you're paying attention to...
Okay, so 2017-18.
Yes.
All right, this makes sense. Okay, so we are going to go back to this year, and we're going to choose a math test, and we're just going to click View Report.
Yep.
And it's going to load, and it's going to look just like this. Okay, when you have Select Report up here, there are many reports in the standards-based report in this pull down, and we're going to show you a few of them. Okay, so Strand Summary does this. It shows you your student, which I'm going to blur out, shows you multiple choice.
Constructed response, and then the percentage for the standard.
Right, so these are in percents, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that's cool, but this one, Standard Summary, is going to show you a little more. And it's going to look like there. Okay, so first of all, go ahead.
Pretty pie chart. Look at all the colors. So pretty. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, but wait, go back. Because see, what's nice is that it gives you an overall view of the class before you kind of say, well, what happened here?
Okay.
And then, yeah, see more details there.
Okay, so then remember the standard one before had multiple choice, constructed response, and the total percent. This one has the same information. It also breaks it up by standard. And this, you can see the scroll bar on the bottom, will go to as many standards as there are.
Right.
So you've got that report that'll show you how your students did. Now, one of the other ones is looking at Classroom View by standard. Okay, this isn't going to sort it by student. This is going to sort by standard. So let me scroll down.
For the whole class.
Right.
At once.
So this is global for your class. Here's the standard. This is the question. Everybody missed it. 100% incorrect. Okay, I'm going to scroll down a little bit more to a standard that has a few questions. Okay, so in fact, let's look at this one. Find whole number quotients, etc., etc. This question, half got it right, half got it wrong, half got it. But this question, most of them got this one. So I might want to look at what is this question that they were able to do it. how are these two questions different? Okay, so that's where this is helpful. I could click on this number right here and it's going to take me right to the question.
Yeah.
Or this one or this one. Let's make a note of number 15.
Okay.
I'm going to show you.
That's pretty cool.
This one, this is the last one I'm going to, oh no, it's not the last one I'm going to show. There's one more after this. Item detail.
Yeah.
So here's what this is going to show. It's going to show the questions. And we wanted to look, see how I got jumped to item. Was it 15?
Yeah. You have a good memory.
For 10 seconds.
I mean, I'm just saying.
Okay.
So what's going on right now?
Coming down here, here's the standard if I forgot what it was. Here's the question. Jasmine works 24 hours a week, earns $18 an hour. Jasmine and Emily earn the same total amount per week. If Emily works 36, I don't know if that is. Hang on.
School over, yeah.
Hours per week, how many dollars does she earn per hour? Okay. Cool. All right, so we've got the correct answer, and then, so this was, they had to fill it in. Okay. It wasn't a multiple choice. They had to actually type in, right?
Yeah.
91% of them got it correct. Now, this is something you absolutely could display for the class, right? Pull up this report. Let's look at this question. Look, you did really well.
Wait a second. That doesn't look right to me.
What?
Why does it say 91%? 0 points.
Did I read it backwards?
It might be that we read it backwards.
Sorry,
because when there's a whole bunch of red, I feel like that means
you're right. I totally read that backwards.
That's all right.
Okay, disregard.
I got excited for a second.
Anyways,
really.
Me too. I wanted to be really happy, but we're gonna look at the other one.
Okay.
So the other two they did better on.
I guess
this was tricky.
Oh man.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So, anyways, if I click on this. I could see it would have down at the bottom a list of everyone who got that question incorrect.
Right.
If I click here, it'll give me the names. Might be helpful for pulling a group.
Yeah.
Or something like that. So what was another question? What did I say? Was it 4?
Sure. Let's try 4.
Looked at the same standard.
Yeah, that's the half and half thing.
Okay.
Half got it right, half got it wrong.
Yes. Okay.
Little more than half got it right.
Here's the question. I was stuck because I couldn't see this. Okay, solve.
Okay.
216 divided by 4.
Okay.
Type your answer in the box.
Right.
Okay, half got it, half didn't. So that's just the calculation with no scenario.
Let's look. I remember before number 1 on this, wasn't there? It was kind of more detailed as far as what. Let's look at that one, just because I liked how the distractors and the reasons why they might have not.
Oh, you're right, because that was a multiple
there it
choice.
Is. Yeah.
Okay, so when it's not a fill in the box, here's the question. There were choices on this one. Okay, so this is basically a fact family, and it shows 21.7% chose this answer. Here's why it's the wrong answer. 4.3 chose this. Here's why it's the wrong answer.
Right.
So again, this could be used, either you're looking at it, working on the document camera, whatever, but this can be used for some reteaching.
Right.
Getting your students used to those standards-based kinds of questions.
Yeah, if you're like you're working with the class on it, and then you're going question by question, right? The only thing is, if it's projected, don't click on the
don't click on this. Yeah. Please don't ever project. These are all the kids who missed the question. Yeah, please, right? No. That's a privacy no. Okay, the last report, though, is going to be helpful for class reteaching, and that's this one, student responses. Okay, here's what that report's going to show you. So I'm on the student responses report, and it looks like this. It's got student names, their multiple choice score, their constructed response, and then their percentage correct, and then it shows all of their answers. Okay, so you can...
If you go up to the top, does it show the question number? Yeah. So it's in order by question number.
Here's my thought with this. This could be printed. We don't want to print a whole page of everything so that students have a full page to throw in the trash or leave on the ground, and now they're, whatever.
Yeah.
But you could print this, cut apart the strips, give them a little strip with their scores and their answers, and when you're saying, okay, so let's look at number 10.
Right.
What did you put on number 10? Okay. And they'll be able to see. So I want to show up here at the top of every report, you can export it to a PDF. You could put it in Excel.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to merge this data with other data that you have, take it into Excel, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think that's everything we wanted to show in this video.
Yes.
The strand summary, it's going to be on automatically, but the standard also shows the standards. Then you can sort by standard instead of by student.
For the whole class.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
You can look at the items and you can see student responses. Okay.
Yay.
Of course, these are all available to everyone. You are welcome to spend as much time as I have, which is a lot, looking at these reports, but I tried to pull out 4 or 5 that are useful.
Yes.
Right? So there we go. Anything else? Your joke.
My joke.
Mel has a joke ready for us.
Okay.
Hang on.
All right.
Wait.
It's a big one. This was told to me.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay, I had to put us back on so we could see you tell the joke. Go.
Okay. So this joke was told to me around Thanksgiving, before Thanksgiving, and then I told it to my family on Thanksgiving. Okay. All right, here we go. How do you get... Okay, no, sorry. Start over. How does a crazy person get out of the woods?
I don't know. We'll give you the answer on the next... No, just kidding. Wouldn't that be funny?
Okay. You guys ready for this? Are you ready? Okay. The way a crazy person gets out of the woods is they take the psychopath. The psychopath. See, I can say that because I'm crazy.
We all know that.
Yes.
We love you, though.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
All right.
I love you too.
Bye.